How to fix Grok high demand error. Now the very first thing that you need to check is if Grok is down. Because if Grok is down, then that means that it has nothing to do with your end and there's nothing that you can do. So just ask, is Grok down? Then let's go to down detector. And here, as you can see, it's not down. Because usually when it's down, you'll see this area be flat. And then it's gonna have a spike near the end. So it's not down. If in your case Grok is also not down, you gotta clear your cookies and start over because maybe your session is bugged or something. So you're gonna click here, you're gonna go to cookies and site data, click here, and literally just click the trash bin here, go done, and reload. And try and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then you might need to right click here and new private window. And then open up Grok from here. Grok.com. Now the other thing that you can try is try the Twitter app, try the Grok mobile app, or the X sidebar version, because some browsers have Grok in the sidebar. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.